In this question, you have to identify the wrong statement regarding a molecule that can act as a genetic material. Option A, it should be unstable structurally and chemically. Now, this is not true because genetic material must be stable both structurally and chemically to ensure accurate transmission of genetic information across generations. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, it should provide the scope for slow changes that are required for evolution. Now, this is true. Genetic material should allow mutations, which are slow and heritable changes, providing the basis for evolution. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, it should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian characters. This is also true because genetic material must be capable of encoding information that is expressed as phenotypic traits following Mendelian inheritance pattern. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, it should be able to generate its replica. Now, this is also true because replication is essential for genetic material to pass on information to offspring during reproduction. Hence, it is incorrect option.